Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials and starting the bot creation now. Create a Discord application, add a bot user, and copy the token. Store it safely. Make sure Node JS 18 or newer is installed on your machine, then initialize a new npm project in your folder. Once done, invite the bot to your server with the bot and voice intents, and grant send messages plus connect permissions so it can join voice channels. This gets you to a runnable bot skeleton fast. Now you implement the how, wiring TTS into your bot. Install Discord JS and at Discord/voice, and add the TTS SDK or a simple HTTP client to call your chosen TTS provider. Get an API key if using Cloud TTS, because you need authenticated requests to generate audio. Then, in your command handler, convert received text to an audio file or stream in PCM or Opus. This format matters for stable playback. Make a voice finish by deploying and locking things down. Run the bot on a persistent host or cloud instance, store the bot token and TTS keys in environment variables, and set node env to production. Add user-facing commands or /commands, include rate limits and permission checks to avoid spam, and monitor logs. If the audio fails, first verify the bot joined the right voice channel and has connect and speak permissions. Also confirm your audio is encoded as Opus or compatible PCM, and that the token and API keys are valid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.